Hey guys, so in this video I want to talk to you about software tutorials. Now this is a great niche for the Simple Traffic Blueprint strategy because quite frankly it's very wide. Now I've included this one because I want to give you something that you can really use to research a specific niche within this software genre. Now software covers a wide range of applications, of page builders, of coding type software, lots and lots of things that you can actually go ahead and talk about, and you don't need to be on screen to do it. Now, depending on your level of knowledge and experience will depend on what type of software you talk about. When I just put software tutorial, for instance, into YouTube, I get a wide variety of videos pop up in the search terms. So here we have how to make tutorial videos. Here we have how to make YouTube videos, tutorials essential software, how to use OBS Studio, which is a streaming platform, video editing for beginners, software testing tutorial for beginners. So it's so wide that you can actually use the keywords that I provided to come into YouTube and really look at what kind of software do I want to talk about. Now, I'm going to give you some examples of this because there's various ways that you can actually do this, but the best thing about this, as I said, is you don't have to be on camera to actually do it. So here's a site called Guru99, 172,000 subscribers. This one is very techy. It talks about HTML editing, Joomla editing. There's a Grammarly review there. There's a tutorial on iMacro. So lots of different variety of tutorials here, but all of them, they're not actually on camera. So let me just pick any of these as an example. Let's take this iMac tutorial, 19,000 views. Now you can see straight away, I've turned the sound off, but you can see straight away this is just a PowerPoint, and basically they're going to take you through how iMacro actually works, and everything is on the screen as you can see, and there is just a talk over. There you go, the sound isn't even that good on this, but it's had 19,000 views so far. It is monetized. You can see there's Google AdSense revenue on this in the form of YouTube ads. And if I come over here, there's also a link back to their website, and there's another link here to SourceForge, which is obviously a technology platform. So lots of different ways to monetize this. The whole channel's had 31 million views, 172,000 subscribers, 224 videos, and again, super simple. You can do this straight away. All you need to do is get a screen sharing video software, and you can start sharing your screen and doing this straight away. And it doesn't have to be in this kind of genre with software. It could be all different types of software. It could be page builders, it could be email, autoresponder type software. It doesn't really matter. You can do the same thing for all those different platforms. Let's take a look at this 10-minute tech one. I thought this was a really nice one. 51,600 subscribers. If you look at all these thumbnails, these are super simple the way that they've done these, and it's the easiest way to create an app with coding, how apps make money, what is lead generation, how to generate leads. So it's kind of a broader one there. Coming up with business ideas, fast business skills. So this is kind of a mixture of application type topics and then more broader topics. So if I just come into one of these and have a look, let's have a look at the latest one, how to find app ideas that make money. And look at this, they're using a chalkboard type effect, which is a really nice type effect, and all they're doing is they're going to write various things on the chalkboard and then narrate on top of it, which is a super simple thing to do. Look at this, really nice way to do it. People are really engaged in this type of stuff, and they will be getting a lot of traction here. So only 1,300 views on this, but the title is a little bit niche, so a lot of those views will probably come from their own subscribers. You could title this in a slightly different way and have a lot more views. But again, Google AdSense revenue on here. And if I look down here, there's some more training here. They're obviously selling training on their own academy. And there's various things like linking back to case studies and other products that they have. They're giving you some free trials here, which will obviously turn into paid memberships. And they'll obviously make revenue based on that. So the really nice way that they're doing it over here. This was on 10-minute tech, and then if I go to Tech Gumbo, which is a really big one, 938,000 subscribers. Again, wide variety of topics on this one. So again, when you're doing channels like this, you can decide whether you want to talk about all different types of softwares, or you want to niche down and only talk about one type of software. I have put some keywords next to this video. You can use them to come into YouTube, do your own research, and also you can use them to use as the topics for your initial videos that you can get started with straight away. Once you've picked the type of software that you want to start doing your very simple videos on, you can start your channel straight away, and you'll soon be getting lots and lots of traffic because this niche is really popular.